Hey you guys, it's Risky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell, subscribe so you can get notified when I post another video, and also like, share, and comment, and we will just get into this video. Basically, in this video, I wanted to talk about love and how I devote myself to love and compassion and come back to the loving vibration, because when you start to raise your vibration to the vibration of love, it feels like everything. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all what it feels. I'll tell y'all what it feels like. It literally feels like everything is coming from the lens of love. You are expressing what is truly meant for your soul, and being that within every given moment is complete wholeness and just being. So whenever I am fully in the vibration of love and living from my heart center, I learn to accept things. I learn to accept people. I learn to accept myself. I learn to embrace myself and to trust and be vulnerable, because as I open up my heart chakra and I live from my heart space so much more frequently, it helps and allows me to express my emotions. It is your chakra that carries all of the other chakras, because it's in the center. So your heart chakra, when you balance and align your heart center, you literally are grounding yourself in all of your other chakra centers. So for me, whenever I am fully in that vibration of love, and I say to myself, I continuously, align myself in the vibration of love and devote and commit myself to being a loving being in a loving vibration. So even when I'm in a situation where I should feel upset about something, I come back to, what is this situation teaching me? How can I be love in this? How can I express love even when I really don't want to sometimes? Because that could be my ego talking, that's saying that I don't want to express love. But your higher self is a full loving being. You cannot have too much of an open heart chakra. I'm gonna tell you that now. Your heart chakra cannot be too open. It's open just as much as you want it to be. That bitch can be expanded to the whole universe. And what are you doing? You're learning to accept and connect with everything. You are coming back to your truest form, because your truest form is connected to everything. It is not attached. You are just being, and you are expressing love from a healthy state, because you've become that within yourself. So as I become more love, and as I become more caring and nurturing energy, I allow other people to be themselves. And when I am myself, other people notice that and align their vibration to raising themselves to a higher level of being. Love is literally at the top of the vibrational pole or vibrational scale of things, and I think the lowest one is like fear. Yeah, so when you are loving, you are literally accepting. You are complete beingness. And that's not to say that in moments I don't find myself being angry or whatever, because that's still love. Love is everything. When you are loving, you are expressing yourself. That is a full divine expression. Love could be you expressing yourself in whatever way form. You know what I mean? It's not fear. Love is not fear, because fear is fear. And love is love. But love is all. Love is literally everything that is around you. Everything is made from love, so it can become, and it has the potential to be love when cared right. So as I become more love, and as I express this, and I just love to love, you know what I mean? It feels really good, and I'm not closing myself off from my blessings and what's meant for me. I feel like as I'm starting to love more, I am literally like healing myself hella fucking much, like, because love is a very healing energy. And when you fully tap into love, you become a healing being. And a bitch feels like love right now. So I'm honestly going to continue or try to hopefully maintain the fuck out of this energy, because sometimes I don't wake up feeling like this shit. I don't always feel like I'm a full loving energy. But when I become more self-aware, I always make sure that I bring myself back to that of which I am. And as you become more of that and awaken and understand yourself, you become more of who you truly are. And I'm love and healing. And that's what I'll always be. And I'll continue to find myself as you should continue to find yourself. And love who you truly are. And embrace that. Because once you love, you learn to embrace others and embrace yourself. And become a more compassionate, loving, accepting being of what you are truly meant to be. So you guys, if you love this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Smack the bell so you get notified when I post a video. As well as if you would like to buy any crystal jewelry. I have on rose quartz right now, of course. And I have on a lot of white and healing for the loving vibration, as I should. And if you would like to book any session with me, you can. It will all be left in the description box below. You can see my eyebrows. Them bitches is hitting, bitch, period. Like, okay, I love when I do my eyebrows really good, because sometimes my eyebrows don't be, but them bitches look good. So yeah, you guys, as if you want to like get into any other thing that I got going on here, check the description box below so you can check that out. And I love you guys. Peace.